Hello everyone, welcome to Mac Studios channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook the lobster tails in just 2 minutes. So I bought it from the Kroger. You can see that. Only 2 tails. To cook the lobster, you need to clean it with the fresh water. Separate it there. Clean it up a little bit. You need a scissor to cut it up, this pile it up, and take the meat a little bit out. Because since you don't see the meat out from the left side, I don't want to take the legs out because it's gonna fall out anyway. So once you shear the shell, you can see the meat is coming out over here, and you hear the crack sound coming out. That's the meat. Open the shells, you can see the meat is coming out, so you need to put something over here. I would say using a little bit like iodized salt. Putting the iodized salt, just clean it again because a lot of things is here, bacteria is here. Just clean it up a little bit with the hot water. This hot water is not that hard. Using the iodized salt a little bit, not too much. Over salt here, and don't put any water after that. What you need a butter, onion, lemon, cilantro, black peppers, garlics, and a little bit seasoning. It's up to you, but I use hot seasoning. That's make taste real good. Do not use anything like garam masala or something that we Asian people all the time use. Those are gonna taste bad for this lobster. Okay, chopped up all this. More chopped up. Separate container. Tiny pieces. Use the lemon as much as possible. Some cuisinart. Not feel hot. Don't put too much because you have to put separately the lobster too. To make the taste real good, since I'm gonna cook it in the air fryer. Black pepper into it. Garlic paste. Don't put any like a ginger garlic paste, just the garlic paste. Thoroughly mix it without any kinds of water. Just the flavor that's coming out from the onion water. Melt some butter. Butter until it's properly cooked. So the butter got molten. Put it to your pre-prepared places. Thoroughly with the butter on. Put this mix up all the way in the top of the lobster. See how good is this? It's now still looking good, huh? Use the clean air fryer. You guys can see that. Just a little bit. Put it to the air fryer like that. Don't put any plate underneath this air fryer because the air gonna be convected, so it's gonna come in from downside and upside. So if you put in a plate, it's not gonna cook well. Okay, like that. And back the air fryer, and you need to set up the time. Once you put it back into the air fryer, you need to go to the menu. And first to go to the menu, I'm using the 4 series air fryer. You can use anything you want to, but it's basically all same. But you need to put all the way to 400 Fahrenheit, and your time should be like at least 10 minutes. So it's here, and it's gonna start automatic since it's an air fryer operations. It started. It's in here. Sound is right now coming out. So I will take it out. Let's look. Whoa! Look at that. In the plate, and it's done. That's the delicious lobster. I'll take some bread. Make some bread and eat it with that. How it's cooked? It's cooked very, very well. You can see that. The meat is tender. So just like my video, click and subscribe and share as much as you can. I'll be happy with that. I'll see you in my next video. I'm making so many different kinds of videos, so this is one of the cooking videos I have. I hope you guys like it. See you.